Hey y'all, so I'm going to show y'all how to make our Sacred Blood Cleanse Herbal Tea. So of course you're going to need a pot and you're going to do 4 cups of water. I use distilled water or you can use spring water. So you're going to put it on high, and once your water gets to a boil, you're going to go ahead and put in a half a cup of herbal tea blend. And make sure you hurry up and cover with a top, that way all the medicinal properties don't go out. Then you're going to go ahead and let it boil for a good 10 minutes and then take it off of the heat and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once you allow it to cool down for a bit, we're going to go ahead and pour it inside of your container. I use a mason jar, and that is what it looks like. And y'all, don't be like me wasting it all over the counter, because good Lord. And right here is where you need a cheesecloth. I ran out of them, so I was just trying to squeeze, because with your dried herbs, they do hold some of the water content, so make sure you squeeze some of that out. And if y'all made a mess like me, go ahead and clean up your counter. Go ahead and add in another bottle of water and pour up, and make sure y'all drink at least 2 cups a day. And you go ahead and enjoy. And remember, you can reuse your leftover herbs or you can give it back to the earth.